Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the 4G Plus download and the speed test comparison between the Moto H20 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. Let's check friends how is the carrier aggregation in the Moto H20 when comparing with the Realme GT Neo 2. That's what my main idea of making this video, and right now I'll try to show you exactly what is the RX Monitor application demonstrating regarding the operator name and everything. So this is the application which will clearly demonstrate what the operator name is. So both phones are using exactly Jio SIM card at this moment, and you can actually get the carrier aggregation even in the Moto H20. So no problem with that. The only one thing is that you cannot see any kind of 4G plus carrier aggregation on the top. Okay, but the phone actually supports the carrier aggregation, so there is no doubt with that. You can see 2CA carrier aggregation clearly. So usually in the normal other phones like in the Realme X and Max and iQOO phones, other phones Realme GT Neo 2, you'll be able to see 4G plus. Right now as you can clearly see friends, you are getting the 2CA carrier aggregation, but on the top also you'll be able to see 4G plus. So which means there is carrier aggregation. As you can see 4G plus. It's very easy to find out in other phones but not in the Moto H20, so you need to use these certain applications to demonstrate, which is RX Monitor application. So now we got to know exactly I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card only for the demonstration purpose. Now it's time to check the download speeds and speed test. So which phone has got what type of speeds? So first let's try with the download speed. So both phones I'm trying to download exactly same file at this moment, which is a Microsoft Lens, which is a 55 MB size only. Okay, let's start at same time. Let's see friends which phone can actually download and install this application first. I'll try to zoom in. Now you'll be able to see exactly what's happening as well between these both phones. So try to look at the speeds. Moto H20 and the Realme GT Neo 2. Not bad, pretty close, right? So 25% and 22% in the same location using same SIM card at same point. And speeds we are getting about 43 and 37%, 46%. And I'm not getting any carrier aggregation at this moment in the Realme GT Neo 2, but sometimes I do get the carrier aggregation. So if there is carrier aggregation, the speeds will be slightly kind of better as well. But right now I'm not getting anyway. So you can look at the Moto H20 speeds, or the Moto H20 has got the speeds at this moment. Not bad. The Moto H20 was able to maintain the carrier aggregation even in the indoor condition as well. Sometimes I used to get friends in the Realme GT Neo, so don't worry about that. So next, the download test has been completed. Next is a speed test. Let's see about the speed test, what happens with the speed test. Both phones should be connected to the same kind of server at this moment. So let's start the test at same time. So try to look at the speeds, what's happening between these two phones, and you can see the speeds, what's going on, and the ping value as well. You can definitely compare side by side. So right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus signs in the Realme GT. I think now we are getting 4G plus. Now let me try to do the test again. Now I'm not getting 4G plus. Sometimes I'm getting, sometimes I'm not getting in the Realme GT Neo 2. Right now I'm getting the 4G plus. Let me try to keep in this position only, holding the two phones. So as you can see the speeds in the Realme GT Neo 2 now with the 4G plus. So with the 4G plus definitely the speeds will be increasing a lot. 21.7, and now let's check what is happening with the carrier aggregation. Yes, so even the Moto H20 also has got the carrier aggregation, but still the speeds are kind of slightly less than the Realme GT Neo 2. Little bit less than the Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the 4G plus speeds. We got the test, and right now we did see the speeds, right, exactly what's happening. And let me try to start doing the test at this moment. Let's see what happens with this kind of speeds. Now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus. Yes, now there is a 4G plus. No, again there is no 4G plus. And when there is 4G plus, the speeds will definitely increase in the Realme GT Neo 2. Now I'm trying to do the test again with the 4G plus connection. Right now with the 4G plus, you can see that with this 4G plus the speeds are going up to 25 Mbps as well, with the clearly using Jio SIM card only in the Realme GT Neo 2 4G plus. Okay, so the highest score we got about 31. Let's see Moto H20, can this reach with the 4G plus 31 Mbps or not? And during this continuous process of testing, the RX Monitor application is showing continuously 4G plus in the carrier aggregation. It's not changing in the Moto H20 like Realme GT Neo 2. Continuously is staying exactly in the 4G plus only. Now let's do the test in the Moto H20 with the 4G plus. What's happening? Can this reach 31 Mbps or not? So it's kind of nearly there, but it's not reaching close to 30. It's kind of increasing little by little with the 4G plus. So 20, nah. It's kind of pretty close, but it did not reach this Realme GT Neo 2 speeds. As you can clearly see, friends, the speeds between both phones. So definitely, if there is carrier aggregation in the Realme GT Neo 2, this phone will be having really high speeds than the Moto H20. Like on the 4G plus connection at same location at same point. These are the tests which we got. But 4G plus remains to be consistent in the Moto H20 device. I mean, it's consistently connected to the 4G plus only during this time. It did not disconnect any time. So Realme GT Neo 2 kept on disconnecting sometimes and again connecting back to the 4G plus randomly. That's something which I was just mentioning for you all. So right now it's 4G plus, again after some time there will be not 4G plus. So it's not that consistent every time. So right now I'm trying to show you exactly for some minutes. I'll try to show you exactly. Let's see which phone stays consistently in the 4G plus connection. Now they are actually staying in 4G plus connection. Let me clear everything. All the apps are completely clear in the background. And that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the 4G plus speeds, and these are the results which we got. And finally, I'll try to do the one more test, which is using the browser test. So let's do the browser test at same time. Let me restart the test. Right now, both phones I'm trying to do using from the Google Chrome browser. Now we'll be able to get the results because some users, they do prefer this kind of Google Chrome browser method. Right now in the Google Chrome, it's showing about 20 Mbps and 12 Mbps. You can clearly see the difference. It's a lot of differences there between the both phones. So 4G plus, it's maintaining consistently, friends. Again, Realme GT Neo 2 has got 4G plus. That's the reason we are trying to see slightly higher scores in the Realme GT Neo 2. 11 Mbps and 18 Mbps, not bad. That's pretty good regarding the speeds between these both phones. So final test, let's do the individual test. Individually, which phone can actually get high scores. So then I'll try to end up this video. So individual, the phones are reaching up to 34. Oh my god, that's really high. 32. It's kind of close to 30 Mbps in the Realme GT Neo 2 individual. Doing both phones at same time is different. Individual is different, friends. 29, not bad. And let's check out the Moto H20. Can this reach that kind of speeds or not? What happened? It's not even reaching. Oh yeah, just now it started. It's kind of picking up very, very slowly. There is carrier aggregation, but still the phone is not picking up high speeds at this moment. So finally we got 10 Mbps. That's it, not much high speeds. So that's it, friends. These are the quick comparison between these both phones regarding the overall speeds. So definitely the Realme GT Neo 2 has got slight advantage when compared with the Moto H20 regarding the speeds using the 4G connection. You can clearly see the difference. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Let's get more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Bye.